that intro, that little background songs in it, bro, that hit me in the sweet spot. Hey man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Julie here, back with another reaction on the channel. You get what I'm doing. Hold on, say it with me. You get what I'm doing. Yes, sir, ski. Yo, today we're gonna be reacting to the Carpenters Rainy Day and Mondays. I've actually never heard this before. I don't even know who the Carpenters are, man. I don't know who they are. But yo, apparently they're a fire band or person. I don't know. But apparently the music goes crazy. The music goes crazy. So we're gonna analyze it, dissect it, review it, all the good stuff. You understand? But before we get right into the video, don't forget to. Do I even get to tell you what to do, man? Do I gotta hit that subscribe button, man? Let's get right into it. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what I'm expecting from this. Like, to just start it up, it seems like very soft and sad. Like, I think, even the title, Rainy Days and Mondays, who likes Mondays? So, I'm guessing it's gonna be a sad song. So, if I cried, I do apologize. I'm a very soft guy, you already know, man.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around.
Yo, her voice is magical. It's beautiful. Like it's beautiful. That's just my first impressions of it so far. It's beautiful so far, bro. 23 seconds and this is beautiful, man.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I got they used to call the blues.
Like it's very soft too. Like it's a soothing sound. Like it enters through one ear, comes out there. Like those like musical like symbols that just float around. That's how I'm feeling right now. It's taking me out of my zone. You understand? Like it's like relaxing me. It's cool. It's cooling me down right now.
Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
So I'm guessing it's like a band, like everybody playing all the instruments are part of the band too. Comment down below if I'm right or wrong about that. That's my initial guess about it. I love the background piano in it too. That intro, that little background songs in it, bro, that hit me in the sweet spot, bro. Let's hear that one more time, man. Actually, I'm curious, when was this released? Like, it seems like a very, very old song. So I'm gonna guess that 1985. I'm gonna guess, that's my guess about it. It seems very old. I'm not gonna lie about that. Yo, I feel so like new generation right now. I forgot what this instrument was called. I think that's a saxophone. I might be wrong on that. I'm pretty sure. You know what? Let me just Google it right now. I'm pretty sure that's a saxophone because as a kid I loved the sound of that. I loved the sound of that. Hold up, saxophone. Yeah, it is a saxophone. I knew it. Don't get the boy wrong. You understand what I'm saying?
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me.
I would like, you wanna know what this song actually reminds me of? It reminds me of like being in a wedding. Like it's like very soft, romantic, like it's a soothing song. It's a very soothing song.
What I feel is come gone before. No to tell me that.
No, wait, that's okay.
It's all about hanging around,
You wanna know one thing I also noticed about them? They look very similar. Like they all look like very similar. So I wonder if they're siblings. Like I might be a far stretch by saying that, but it looks like I wonder if they're siblings. I'm not too sure. It's so beautiful, man. Alright guys, that's my reaction to the Carpenters Rainy Days and Mondays. Honestly, it like from the start of the video to the end, like I'm in a very different mood right now. Like I'm more relaxed, more like just soft on the inside, and it's like it was just beautiful to hear. Like the voices, the instrument, everything went along so beautifully, and I'm very thankful I reacted to that. I'm very thankful because I actually enjoyed that a lot. Like it was just a beautiful song. That's the word that describes it all. Like it was very beautiful. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Comment down below if you guys have actually heard the Carpenters before, or what else what else they got. You understand? I want to hear them some more. You understand what I'm saying? But before we end the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.